What's up, YouTubes? Welcome to Hot Trades. Happy Friday. We made it. Just a reminder that the stock market is closed on Monday, so please be aware of that. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy the content, please don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe. The purpose of these pre-market videos are for me to quickly scan the market every morning for top performing stocks and find out why they are doing so well. And I'll also be taking a look at the charts to see if they can give us any clues as to what direction these stocks are going to continue in. So this morning, I'll be looking at Artelo Biosciences, China Liberal Education, Denison Mines, and Inovio. So let's start off with Artelo Biosciences, ticker symbol ARTL. These guys are up 85% this morning with just below 9.5 million shares traded already. So why these guys are performing really well this morning, let's find out. Artelo Biosciences shares are trading higher after Ladenburg Thalmann initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and announced a $7 price target. So these guys got a price target upgrade of $7, and that's why the stock is performing really well this morning. What is it trading at right now? Just below $3. It's at $3. So that's why the stock is performing really well, just because they've given it an upside of over 100%, and that's why. So moving on to China Liberal Education, ticker symbol CLEU. These guys are up just below 60% this morning with just above 3 million shares traded already. So why these guys are performing really well this morning? China Liberal Education shares are trading higher after a 13G filing showed 4 new investors have a 57% stake. So I think these investors are new as well, and they're holding just below 60% of the company. So that's usually a sign of stability for retail investors. So that's why the stock is performing really well this morning. Thirdly, we have Denison Mines, ticker symbol DNN. I'm actually holding a few shares of this company. I bought in yesterday around the $1.05 mark. So I'm happy they're on the pre-market movers list. These guys are up 28% this morning with almost 9 million shares traded already. So that's fairly good pre-market volume. There's really no news to this to why DNN is moving. But if you have the ability to look at the option chain, you see that there are a lot of options being bought for the $2.50 expiring sometime in March 19, and so that's why the stock is performing really well. I think this might be on the Wall Street Bets list, so same as SNDL. I think that's why the stock is moving this morning. There's really no news to this other than possibly it being a pump and dump again. So yeah, I don't think there's really any news to this. But yeah, that's okay though, right? We rode SNDL really well. So hopefully this continues and moves higher as well. And lastly, we have Inovio Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol INO. Why these guys are performing well this morning? Oppenheimer initiates coverage on Inovio Pharmaceuticals with Outperform Rating and announces a price target of $35. So these guys are trading around the $16 mark right now, and they got a price target of upgrade of $35. So that's why the stock is performing really well. Again, like another price target of upgrade. I can't talk this morning. It's Friday. I'm tired. So they got a price target upgrade of $35. Well over 100% from where it's sitting at right now. So that's it. That's why these stocks are performing really well this morning. If we quickly take a look at the charts for all four of these stocks, starting off with DNN. DNN. So I bought in yesterday, right where this arrow is, around the $1.05 mark, and this morning, and we are looking to open up above $1.30. So I had this line right here. This is the high from yesterday. This $1.27 mark. This is the level I was watching. We needed to get back above this level and hold it and continue higher. So that's what I'm watching this morning. If you're in this stock with me, kudos to you. If you're looking to get into this stock, I'm not sure if it continue to go as higher, right? So this is going to be with all this momentum stocks. I say this over and over. Try not to rush in at the open. Let it settle. Let it give you signals that it wants to continue going higher, just because you never know. What if people like me decide to sell right at the open and then drop the so same thing that happened with SNDL yesterday. Right at the open, it just flushed from the open right to $1. So please be careful if you're looking to get into any of these stocks right at the open, I would suggest you wait a few minutes. I like to wait 30 minutes to an hour for all of these stocks to settle and give me clues that it's going to continue going higher before I get back in. So that's what I'm going to say for D and N. So moving on to CLEU. So this stock, before this news came out, it was a pretty weak stock, right? So it's been below the 50-day moving average since December the 15th, and it's been trying to get above. So we tried to get back above here and it failed. So it's been a pretty weak stock. So I'm not sure how that's going to perform. It's looking to open up just below $7 and $6.70. So again, same advice, right? Please try not to rush in, just because again it's Friday, people might be looking to take profits. Please be careful if you're looking to get into any of these, just because it could be a dump right at the open and never get back above. So let it settle, let us give you clues that it's going to continue higher before you get into any of these momentum stocks. So moving on to ARTL. These guys as well, looks like I looked at this in the past and I had this line right here just because this was the previous high right here again. And if we finally got back above this level, so this morning we are looking to open up. So yesterday we closed at $1.62 and looking to open up 71% this morning at $2.80. So that's a fairly good gap up as well. If you're in this stock, kudos to you, good job. If you're looking to get into this, same advice, please be careful. And lastly, we have Inovio, ticker symbol INO. So wow, the stock wasn't looking too hot before this news came out. So this morning we are looking to open up right here at $16, just above $16. We closed at $13 yesterday, so 24% gap up. Again, same advice with all this high flying stocks. I say this over and over. Please be careful. Try not to rush in at the open. There's going to be opportunity for you to get in if you're patient. So please try not to rush in right at the open. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.